Shit. Woo! Buongiorno, Florence. I am now here. This train was actually a whole lot nicer than the one leaving Munich, from Munich to Verona. And surprisingly, it's raining here. I haven't experienced rain since my last day in the shithole of Italy, also known as Palermo. So I guess I'm gonna go find my accommodation now. I don't know where the entrance is or the exit is of this train station. I'm just walking along here. We'll see. But yeah, spent it's now 1900. I've been on trains since 11:30 this morning. And yeah, I'm just looking to clean myself up, grab a bite to eat, maybe explore a little bit, even though it's raining. Grazie. And explore this lovely city of Florence. Woo! Oh, here we go, here we go. This city actually means a bit to me because one of my exes, I remember one of my exes, she was boasting how lovely of a city Florence was. Well, we'll find out.